This video is about how to remove and replace a hard drive in a PlayStation 3. Let's begin. Alright, we'll start. You have to have a precision screwdriver kit to complete the task. Let's begin. Alright, you'll notice this bottom plate here. It comes off as soon as you pry it open. Now, the spring mechanism in here, you'll have to pry open with a screwdriver. Alright, pull it up with this. Now slide this over, like so. Now, I've replaced my old hard drive with this momentous 720, which is a 500 gig hard drive. So, momentous 500 gig. I replaced it. Now, let's take it apart and let's take this apart. Take it apart like so. Now, see the blue screw? Let's pick a precision screwdriver to get this out. Alright, take it out like this. Take it very slowly, one side to the other. Take this out. See how easy it is with a precision screwdriver kit, and that one just fell somewhere, didn't it? Hang it. Anyways, get another one. Alright, now for the last one, hold with your index finger on the hard drive. These things you cannot replace very easily. So, anyways, I found my screws, by the way. Now that's that. You slide it like this. It comes off like this. Alright, this is what holds it. This is what goes down inside and slides over with this. This is the hard drive. Now, let's go get the original hard drive for it and install that wherever it is. Not in the corner. Not in here. Okay. I know where it's at. Alright. Where's the hard drive at? Good question. Oh. Let's go find it. I think it's over here in the drawer. Turn this light on. Oh, there it is. There's the original hard drive. Now let's continue this great journey. Now see? This is what used to be in it. A 40 gig Seagate when I first started with it. Now let's remove this and install it. Alright, first of all, you'll need the hard drive. Hopefully, it will go in like a glove. Now, remove this. Remove the drive from the carrying case. Take the old hard drive out. Make sure it's facing towards the front. So when you slide it in, it goes in the correct way. Now it's on there. hold it. I always want to try to start the back first, because I figured this out years ago. Now, basically, you just do what common sense tells you. Screw it in that way, this way. Gosh, these things are so terribly. I wish there was just like clips or something for it. Alright, now screw that in. I'll put the blue piece right there. Now tighten it up. Now let's see if my PlayStation 3 will work again. Hopefully it will. I think it might be the hard drive is the problem. Come on, you pesky wesky. Alright, let's use this and see if we can't get... Nope. Alright, now what we'll do is I took my 500 gig out. As you can see. Now I'm putting back my original hard drive that came in it. So let's install this. Alright. Alright, now what you do, slide it back in like so. Put it back in. Slide it over like that. It doesn't really matter if you have a screw here. It's gonna all be okay. It's easier for you to slide out that hard drive, push that back over, and you're done. Now, actually we're not done yet. We gotta put this thing on. Now what we'll do is we'll come over here, we'll lift the behemoth, we'll see if it turns on, and hopefully it runs. It's kind of like a mechanic at a car shop. You hope it's gonna run. Now let's plug this in, and hopefully she runs good. Alright, it's plugged in. You see the red light? Nope. It isn't the hard drive. It's the internal parts of the old PlayStation that finally wore out the other day. I learned a lesson the hard way to turn your computers off and stuff. It's not great.